Here's little Wun-Sun. Yes. You're all awake now, aren't you? He's like, yes, I am. I'm awake. He's wrestling with my brothers. You guys are playing great until I get the camera out, and then you go up on the shelf and act like little statues. That's so cute. Here, come here. Come on. Come on. How about you, little guy? You're not a statue. You're not a statue. He's like, yes, I'm ready to go to Canada. I think it's warmer there than it is here. I think you might be right. And here's your brother that's going with you. Yes. Okay. So, cutie patooties. And there's little sister. Let's get some video of her while you guys are playing rough and tumble. Oh, she's going to be crawling. She's a-crawling. Whoop, whoops, 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 whoops. There she is. What a pretty girl. Look at those pretty blue eyes and that wonderful tail. Yes. She's a-moving and a-grooving. Okay, well, this didn't work out too well for me. Look what I got. Look what I got. Look what I got. Yes. We'll get some tomorrow. We'll get some more tomorrow. Yes, we will. Yes, little Musubi. I think, is that your name? Oh, I keep forgetting your names. I'm so bad. Yes, you're very cute. You're very cute. And you're very cute. Come here, little girl. Come here, pretty girl. Okay. We'll get some better stuff tomorrow. Yes, we will. We will. Hey.